outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9. I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a quick general message. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. Remember to always take what resonates, what doesn't. Do not feel obligated to make it stick to your life or situation. Okay, so the first card we have is something significant about a female energy here. Okay, so to further clarify this, okay, so no, what I got was I had the female card to come out, but I was picking up on a feminine male. That's what I was picking up on. Okay, so something could be significant about Archangel Gabriel. All right, because Archangel Gabriel further clarified this. So some type of final call, some type of judgment, some type of justice, and something could be significant about the throat chakra and sky trumpets. Okay, you could be seeing triple fours, you could be seeing 1044, you could be seeing 44. Okay, but something is significant here when it comes to a female or a male in feminine energy. I'm picking up. Okay, so to further clarify this feminine energy and Archangel Gabriel, we have I am here, Osiris. Okay, so something could be significant about Osiris. Okay, then we have Leo energy, so something could be significant about a Leo. All right, this feminine could be a Leo. Okay, I'm picking up. All right, or some type of fiery energy, but something could be significant about a Leo feminine or a feminine male, and they have a Leo moon. I'm picking up. Okay, then we have they could have a Leo Venus too, I'm hearing. But we have he poisoned me. All right, so someone poisoned someone here. Okay, a Leo feminine could have been poisoned by a feminine male. Okay, or something could be significant about a Leo feminine being poisoned by a male. Okay, then we have the letter Y. All right, I feel like that's asking why. Okay, kind of like why me, you know what I'm saying, or why did this happen? All right, to further clarify this, we have family. Okay, so this could have been a family member, or this could be someone maybe you're related to. Okay, whether this is the male energy or the feminine, the female energy. Okay, or it could be both. But then we have love, hate. So whomever this energy is someone that you have a love, hate relationship with. Okay, whether this is past or present energy. Okay. Could possibly be future as well. But then we have ghosted, off and on, hot and cold, detached. Okay, so something could be significant about some type of confirmation in the background, but I was about to say something could be significant about some on and off energy with, it could be family. Okay, or someone you have a family with. Okay, following that, we have secure, confident, boss bitch, career focused. Okay, so this feminine energy that came out at the beginning as well. Another energy I'm picking up is that this could possibly be your energy too, collective. Okay, so to continue clarifying this, we have he's plotting a fire sign. So something could be, as I said before, that Leo energy. All right, so something could be significant about a fire sign. They don't necessarily have to be a Leo. They can be an Aries or Sagittarius. Okay, someone could also have fire in their moon, as I stated before. Then we have karmic bloodline. So someone here, this male, could come from a karmic bloodline. Okay, then we have wearing a mask. She's jealous of you. So something significant about a feminine energy who wears a mask, who is jealous. Okay, this feminine could be a Leo. Okay, or have Leo somewhere in their chart. All right, and this feminine could also come from a karmic bloodline. Following that, we have hush money. Okay, so something significant here about hush money. This hush money could involve a family. It could involve a feminine paying somebody off, or paying out hush money or something like that. Okay, we have grimy as fuck. So whomever this individual is, or these individuals are who accept their hush money, they're grimy. Okay. And preceding that, we have the card that says the magic is in your DNA. Black magic who? Black magic what? Okay. So someone could have tried to or could have paid for black magic. Okay, I got that. All right. Someone could have tried to steal your energy as well. I'm picking up. Okay, or something significant about your energy collective. Okay. So following that, we have picture and video blackmail. All right. So something could be significant about someone basically taking a bait due to picture and video blackmail. Okay, so whomever this female is, she could possibly be holding something over top of another head. Okay, I'm picking up. Or and this individual could be, you know, the male energy. I'm picking up. All right. Following that, we have you call, we come. This is a message from your ancestors. Okay. And then we have government sent her. So whomever this woman is could have possibly been sent in by the government. Okay, they didn't want me to say that, but yes, could have possibly, or didn't want me to get it out, but could have possibly been sent by the government. Okay, someone who had an alternative motive. Okay. So then we have athlete involved. So something could be significant about an athlete. Okay, this athlete could be a feminine. Okay, or something could be significant about a male feminine as well. I mean a male. Damn, what the hell? So something could be significant about a male athlete, I meant to say. Okay, but then we have something could be significant about a masculine feminine. Thank you, spirit. Okay, so then we have Jack Teagar and Jeepers Creepers. Okay, so it could be significant about someone watching you or you watching someone else. Okay, it could be an athlete, all right, or vice versa, or someone is watching an athlete, something like that. So with the hush money, we have backstabber. It says, or backstab. It says pain, cheating, deception, mind games, love bombing. Okay, so whomever this is, they basically, you know, backstabbed you. Okay, they play mind games, they love bomb you. Okay, all of that stuff. So then we have losing sleep. It says worry, replay. So we have losing sleep. Whomever this is, or whomever these individuals are, they are worried, replaying events, thinking about you. Okay, so whomever this is that backstabbed you, or these people who backstabbed you, they are replaying events in their head. Okay, about the backstabbing. All right. Then we have feeling like shit. All right, so they're feeling like shit as well. Okay, and like I said so next we have jackass. Okay, so something could be significant about a jackass. All right, or jackass tendencies. All right, or jackass behavior. So following that, we have catfished. All right, so something could be significant about someone being catfished or some type of catfishing. All right, this could be significant in reference to this government sent her energy. Okay, this feminine energy that's here. Something could have been significant about someone sending someone in. Okay, setup energy I'm picking up. All right. We have I'm gonna be fresh as hell if the feds are watching. So whomever this feminine is, or this catfish energy, and I'm about to belch. But anywho, whoever this energy is could be a federal agent. Okay, they could be an undercover agent. All right, or an undercover cop of some sort. All right, but someone got catfished or whatever. So next we have she's the handler, not the significant other. So whomever this is a handler. All right. Then we have investigation magic, and someone was doing court case spells and investigation magic surrounding a case or some type of case or cases. I'm picking up more than one. Okay. Then we have she don't want him, she wants you. So whomever this feminine is really into women. Okay. Then we have corrupted politicians. All right. So something is significant about a corrupted politician. All right. This feminine could be some type of corrupted politician. I don't know. I'm picking up all types of energies here. Okay. any of this could be going on. That's what I'm picking up. Okay. Then we have you're the dad, not the granddad. All right. So with this energy, I did post to my community tab something significant. And then, okay, we have corrupted politician, we have you're the dad, not the granddad, and we have incest. So something is significant about a male politician actually being the father of their grandkids or a grandchild, okay, that I picked up. All right. Something could be significant about this person trying to cover up a potential investigation as well. Okay. So, following that, we have moving on, letting go, loving you free. Okay, so something could be significant about you moving on, collective, from some sort of catfish situation. All right, then we have mirroring. All right, so from this energy, I got someone like mirroring some type of experience that they wanted for you. Okay, I'm also getting like mirroring back people's projections. I'm getting that too because this card has like a mirror necklace on it, okay, which is very symbolic to me. So I feel like you're mirroring back, you know, any projections, anything that isn't yours. Okay. Then we have memories. All right, so something could be significant about someone trying to mirror some type of old energy to you. Okay, some type of old memories. All right, we did see the love bombing card too. Okay, so something significant about that. So to further clarify this catfish energy, okay, we have something significant about the movie Soul Food. Okay, so in the movie Soul Food, any of these could be significant. Something could be significant about an elder energy. Okay, I am picking that up off of that female Leo card. Okay, that could have been an elder Leo who could have been strangled. Okay. We have hidden money. So something could be significant about hidden money. We have hidden secrets. We have family disputes. And we have someone cheating with family. Okay. So then we have demonic possession. So something could be significant about demonic possession, people being demonically possessed. Okay. Due to spell work too. Then we have come as one, but stand as 10,000. All right, that is an ancestor message. We have Rihanna, take a bow. Okay, so something could be significant to a Pisces energy. Okay, and something could be significant to this song. Okay, people putting on a performance. Okay, I'm hearing like last performance or something like that, or a final act or some shit like that. Okay, so then we have slept with a relative. No, slept with a relative's baby daddy or significant other. Okay, so something could be significant about that. We did have cheating with family on the soul food card. Following that, we have Nipsey Hussle victory lap. Okay, so something could be significant about that. I'm getting that off of that take a bow card. Kind of, I'm hearing like grand finale. Okay, and something could be significant about Nipsey Hussle. Then we have set up by sibling behind your back. Okay, so something could be significant about a sibling who is catfish and someone who, you know, something surrounding hush money and a sibling. Okay, something could be significant about picture and video blackmail as well when it comes to this sibling or siblings. Next, we have set up by ex and sibling behind your back. Okay, so definitely heavy sibling energy here. Okay, could be this female energy that we picked up too in the beginning. Okay, so that is everything I have for you, collective. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll talk to you in the next reading.